In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the background color in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, you have some options when you are changing the background color. Click on the Design menu, go all the way over to the right and click on Format Background. You will see the background options. If you want a solid color background, which is the default option, click on the paint bucket and choose the color you want. If you want a gradient fill, you have some more options. You can have one color as your gradient fill, or you can have more than one color. To have more than one color, change the color of the gradient stops. So with this gradient stop, this represents the color at the very top of the slide, and your last gradient stop represents the color at the bottom of your slide, and you can move these around. So if I want to change the color at the bottom of the slide, I would click on that gradient stop, click on the paint bucket. I'm going to choose a very different color so you can see the difference. And I can also move this around, and you see the color change. To have a texture fill, you can click on that option. And you can also change the type of texture for the background. To use a picture as a background, click on that same option, Picture or Texture Fill. Then click on File. I keep my pictures in my picture folder, so I'm going to look for my picture folder. And then I'm going to look for a picture to use. Maybe my Angry Bird. If you do not have a saved image, you can search for one online. If you want any of these background options to appear on all of the slides in your file, click on Apply to All. And every new slide you create will have the same background. So to create another slide, going back over to the Home menu, click on New Slide. And every time I do that, the next slide will have the same background. This is the end of this tutorial. Remember to save your work.